Hi, my name is Leanne Watanabe. I speak to women every day who tell me it's been a struggle with consistency and emotions. I'm in a slump because working from home while tending to my kids 24/7 leaves me frustrated and exhausted. I feel lazy and unmotivated, and I can't figure out how to take time for myself. I'm so overwhelmed that I have no idea how to even start. I have been a fitness professional for over 25 years, and I've worked with hundreds of women who all say the same thing, that they feel stuck, unmotivated, and they are overwhelmed. That is why I am so excited to announce that I have launched my proprietary 30-day blueprint. It is called Switching Gears. It is a 30-day self-care challenge where the name of the game is consistency and results, all focused on those two things. The goal is to establish a routine of habitual wellness during this hectic and challenging time in using daily self-care exercises that will keep your minds and bodies thriving. Your daily exercises will be short, they will be simple, they will be fun, and they will be effective. This is just a way to include some stress relief and mindfulness of checking in with yourself on the regular. Again, the daily challenges will be fun, quick, and mindful. In addition, you will receive bonus education from me bi-weekly via email, where I talk all things food, fitness, mindfulness, moderation, and movement. So, how does this work? Why do I guarantee 100% success rate? Well, the three reasons that people tend to fall off a schedule or a routine or have problems with continuing a consistent habit is three main things. Number one, they expect perfection. Number two, they have no set plan laid out. And number three, they don't enjoy what they're doing. I cover these three things with Switching Gears, with my 30-day calendar, because my whole philosophy with wellness is forward progress, not perfection. My blueprint is laid out for sustainable and balanced wellness every day for the 30 days. There is no extreme measures, there is no restrictive measures. This is all very healthy, mindful, moderate, and enjoyable self-care exercises. Also, the 30-day blueprint gives you the exact plan. You wake up, you look at your day that you're on, you do the thing. You wake up, you look at the day you're on, you do the thing. You repeat this for 30 days. After the 30 days, after you've seen how far you've come, you'll be able to feel confident in knowing that if your goals are attainable, if you have the right guidance and outline your plan from a coach such as myself, that you can accomplish what it is you set out for. And the biggest thing is enjoying yourself. If you hate it, you're not going to do it. That's why so many people fall off of a wellness or food plan, because it's not enjoyable for them. It's not sustainable and it's not realistic. I get it. I work with women just like you. That is why my blueprint is made for women just like you. I have also attached an agreement that you will make to yourself for that 30 days to devote that 5 minutes or less self-care exercise to yourself, so that you can focus on being healthy both in mind and in body. I suggest you printing out both the agreement that you will sign as well as your blueprint PDF calendar and post it somewhere that you will see every day amongst the 30 days. And go ahead and enjoy yourself and check off every day that you complete, or even better, give yourself a gold star. I am here for you. I am right there with you. And I am a real life person that you have access to. So if you have any questions, concerns, or comments, please feel free to reach out to me. My email will be in the listing, and I am reachable. I am based out of Honolulu, Hawaii, and I hope you have a great, wonderful day. Thank you for investing a little bit of your wellness with me in my Switching Gears program. Aloha.